Hi everyone, today topic is time and work. The time and work, the second topic is based on the chain rule. In this lesson, if M1 persons or M1 man can do a piece of work in D1 days and M2 persons or M2 man can do a same work in D2 days, then M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Next, similarly, if M1 man can do a piece of work in D1 days, working H1 hours a day, and M2 man or M2 persons can do a same work in D2 days, working H2 hours per day, then M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D2 H2. Next, if M1 man can do a piece of work of W1 units in D1 days, working H1 hours a day, and M2 man can do a piece of work of W1 W2 units in D2 days, working H2 hours per day, then M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2, where W1 means work, W2 means work 2. Next, lesson first problem. 36 man can do a piece of work in 35 days. You know how many days can 45 man can do it? Where M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, where M1 means 36 man and D1 means 35 days and M2 means 45 man. D2 means find out the value of D2. Let D2 is equal to X. M1 equal to 36 into 35, D1 equal to 35 and M2 means 45 into X, that equal to X equal to 36 into 35 by 45, that equal to 28 days. That means 45 men can complete the work in 28 days. Next problem. 55 men can do a piece of work in 45 days, working for 8 hours a day. How many days will 40 men can finish if their work for 7.5 hours a day? Where M1 means 55 men, D1 means 45 days, H1 means 8 hours, and M2 means 40 minutes. Find out the value of D2, and H2 means 7.5 hours a day. M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D2 H2. 55 into 45 into 8 equal to X, 40 into X into 7.5, that equal to X equal to 55 into 45 into 8 by 40 into 7.5, that equal to 66 days. 66 days. 66 days. Next problem. 96 men can build a wall of 208-meter long in 44 days, working for 6 hours a day. You know how many days can 55 men build a similar wall of 260-meter long, working for 8 hours a day? Listen, where W1 means 208 meters and W2 means 260 meters work. M1 means 96 man work, D1 means 44 days and H1 means 6 hours. M2 means 55 days. uh, Find out the value of D2 and H2 means 8 hours a day. Listen, M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2, where 96 into 44 6 by 208 equal to 55 into X into 8 by 260, that equal to X equal to 72 days. 72 days. Listen, a man engaged 15 laborers to make a T20 toys in 10 days. After 7 days, he found that only 175 toys were ready, were made. How many additional men should be required? Should be required engaged to the finish the work in time. That means to complete the work in time. That means, listen, actual labors is 55 labors, 320 toys, and in 10 days. Actual work is 15 labors, 320 toys in 10 days. But after 7 days, 15 labors they are ready, only 175 toys. Only ready the 175 toys. 15 labors they ready only 175 toys. 15 labors only 175 toys in 7 days. Remaining days is 3 days. Remaining toys are ready, only 145 toys are ready out of 320 minus 175, that equal to 145. Next, some additional labor should be required to complete the work in 10. That means complete the work in 3 days. Remaining 3 days. That means M1 D1 H1 M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. Where M1 means 15 labors, D1 means 7 days, and W1 means 175, and M2 means 15 plus some extra labor, some X, 15 plus X, and remaining days D2 means 3 days and remaining twice 145, that equal to the calculation that equal to 25 like equal to 15x, 15 plus x, that equal additional numbers x equal to 25 minus 15, that equal 14. 14 man should be required additionally. Next problem. 20 men can do a job in 30 days and 45 boys can do the same work in 48 days. You know how many days can 25 men, 60 boys, 25 boys, 60 boys and boys, 60 boys, 60 boys do the same work. Listen, 25 men can do a job in 30 days. Next, 45 men, 45 boys in 48 days. We have to find out the 25 man and 65 in how many days. Listen, where M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. M1 means 20 man, and D1 means 30 days. 20 man 30 days equal to same work in 45 boys in 40 days. M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. 25 M into 30 days, 45 boys into 48 days, that equal to 5 man equal to 18 boys. And I have to find out the 1 man work. 1 man work equal to 18 by 15 boys. Let's equation number 25, 25, 60 boys. You have to take in. Listen, 25 plus 20 boy, 25 man plus 60 boys in how many days? 1 man equal to 18 by 15. Please substitute value. 25 into 18 by 5 into boys equal to 60 boys. That means 5, 25, 5 times, that equal to 8, 8, 5 18s are 5 18s are 90, 90 plus 60, that equal to 150 boys. That means 150 boys. Actually, 45 boys working for 48 days only. 45 boys for working 48 days. Yeah, 150 boys in how many days? M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D2 H2, where M1 means 45 man boys and D1 means 48 days. M2 means 150 boys and D1 means find out find out the value of D2, where M1 D1 equal to M2 45 into 48, 150 into x, that equal to x equal to 1.4, 14.4 days. That means 14.4 days. Next problem. Listen, 15 men or 16 women. That means 15 men equal to 16 women can do a job in 30 days. Can do some work in 30 days. Now, how many how many days can 45 men and 60 women can do it? Can do it and do it. Listen, 15 man equal to 15 man equal to 60. 15 man equal to can complete the work in 30 days, and also 16 women equal to 30 days. That equal to 15 man equal to 30 days. 16 women equal to 30 days. That equal to 15 man equal to 16 women. 15 man equal to 16 women. Then 1 man equal to 6 by 0 0 cancel, that equal to 6 by 5 women. 1 man equal to 6 by 5 women. Then you have to find out the 45 man and 36 women, that equal to 45 man and 36 women. Listen, 1 man equal to 6 by 5. 1 man equal to 6 by 5 men, that equal to 45 into 6 by 5 women into 36 women, that equal to 9 times 9 6 are 54 plus 36, that equal to 90 women. Total is 90 women. Actually 60 women in 30 days. Find out the value of 90 women in how many days? M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, where M1 means 60 women, D1 means 30 days, and M2 means 90 women, and D2 means x. Find out the value of D2 x, that equal to x equal to 20 days. X equal to 20 days. Next problem. 15 men can do a job in 12 days and 20 women can do it in 10 days. In home, what is the ratio between capacity of man and woman? What is the ratio between man and woman? Ratio between a man and woman. Listen, 15 men can do a work in 20 women. So 15 men can do a work in 12 days. 15 men can do a work in 12 days. 20 men can do it in 10 days. 20 men in 10 days. M1 D1 equal to M2, where M1 means 15 men, 15 men, 15 men in 12 days, D1 days. M2 means 20 men, 20 women in 10 days, where M1 is 15 into 12 equal 20 into 10, that equal 9 m equal to 10 women. 9 m equal to 10 women, that equal to man by woman equal to 10 by 9. That means man is to woman equal to 10 is to 9. Man is to woman equal 10 is to 9. Next problem. Listen. 45 men can do a job in 40 days. After 10 days, 5 men joined. After 10 days, 5 men joined. Now, how many days the rest of the work will be finished? Listen. Actual work is 45 men can complete the work in actual work is completed in 45 men in 45 days. 45 men in 45 days. But after 10 days, 5 men is left. That means for 40 days, already 10 days work is complete. Remaining work is, what is the remaining work? Remaining work is remaining to 45 men complete the work in 30 days. Already 10 days work is over. Remaining work is 30 days. But in this, how to 5 men should be 5 men should be joined. That means 5 men should be added. That means 45 plus 5 that equal to 50 men. You know how many days? That means listen. Remaining work 45 men in 30 days and 50 men in how many days? That means M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Where M1 means 45 men in 30 days and 50 men in how many days? That equal to X equal to 27 days. X means D2. That means 50 men can complete the work in 27 days. 8 men, sorry, listen. After 15 days work will be completed. Remaining 36 boys are joined. 8 men should be left. 8 men should be left. You know how many additional time should be required? That means listen. After 15 days, 16 men complete the work in 16 days. 8 men should be left. That means 16 men minus 8, that equal to 8 men. 16 men minus 8, that equal to 8 men. And remaining 36 boys plus 36 boys should be added in X days to complete the work. To complete the work. Listen. That means 250 men into 8 men, 1 man equal 1 boy equal 8 men plus 36 boys, 1 boy equal 8 by 9 man, that into X, that equal to 1 work. Listen. Next. That means man is common 250 plus 240 plus 8 plus 32 into X equal to 25 into cross multiplication. Sorry, total work is 25 into 16. Total work is 25 into 16. 25 man complete the 16 days equal total work. That's not 400 X equal to 400 minus 20 240, that equal to X. 40 X equal to 16, that equal X equal to 4 days. That means 4 days should be additionally required. Next problem. A man engaged some men to finish the work in 20 days. But 12 men did not come from the very first day. As per the result, work was done in 28 days. Find the original strength. Listen. HY work. I don't know how much number should be arranged. I was X mans in 20 days. X persons in 20 days. But uh, in very first day, 12 men should be not come. Then work will be completed in 28 days. Then the work will be completed in 28 days. Then the work will be completed in 28 days. Listen. Actual work is X man in 20 days. 12 man should not come. That means X minus 12 in work is completed in 28 days. Then M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Here M1 means X into 20. X minus 12 into 28. M2 D2. That means for where 5x equal to 7x minus 84. That equal to x equal to 84. That means x equal to initial x equal to 42 man. Next problem. 8 men and 20 women can do a job in 10 days. 5 men and 8 women can do the same job in 20 days. 20 days. Now how many days 12 men and 6 women can do it? Listen. 8 men and 20 women combinedly work together in 10 days, and 5 men and 8 women combinedly work same work in 20 days. Now how many days can 12 men and 6 women can complete? Listen. 8 men plus 20 women combinedly complete the work in 10 days, and 5 men and 8 women combinedly complete the work in 20 days. You have to find out the 12 men and 6 women how many days. Listen. M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, where M1 means 8 men plus 20 women. D1 means 10 days. Equal to M2 means 5 men plus 8 women. D2 means 20 days. then m1 that equal to 10 10 0 0 cancel, then 8 man plus 20 women equal 10 man plus 10 man plus 60 women, then 2 man equal to 4 women. That means 1 man equal to 2 women, 1 man equal to 2 men. Listen, first either equation 1 or 2, equation 1 or 2, either converting women power or man power, either women power or man power. I am converting to women power. Total equation is converting to women power. Total how many days? In how 10 days in how many women? Listen, 8 man plus 20 women in 10 days. That means 1 man equal to 2 women. That means 8 into 2 women plus 20 women equal to 10 days. That equals 16 women equal to 20 days. So 16 women plus 20 women equal 10 days. That equal 36 women in 10 days. That means total converting equation is converting to women power. That means 36 women is converting to 36 women is complete the work in 10 days. Then you have to find out the value of 12 man plus 6 women. That means 12 man, 12 into 1 man equal to 2 men. That means 12 into 2 men plus 6 women, that equal 24 into 6, that equal to 24 plus 6, that equal to 30 women. That means actually work is 36 man complete the work in 10 days. Then 30 women complete how many days? M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, where M1 means 36 into 10, M2 means 30 into X, where X equal 12 days. That means 30 women can complete the work in 10 days, so 12 days. That 2 months can complete the work in 12 days. Next, last problem, 18 women plus 18 women and 20 women, 18 women and 20 women can complete the job in 20 days, and 15 men and 18 women combinedly complete the same work in 30 days. Now how many days 45 men and 20 women can do it? Listen, 18 men plus 20 women in 20 days, 15 men plus 8 women in 30 days. Then M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, where M1 means 18 men plus 20 women into 20 D1. D2 means 15 men plus 8 women into D2. D2 means 30. That equal to the equation by solving. That means 9 man equal to 16 women. Find out the 1 man power. 1 man, that equal 1 man equal to 16 by 9 women. 1 man equal to 16 by 9 women. That's the man power. First equation, this equation is converting to woman power. That means 18 man plus 20 women in 20 days. As well, 1 man equal to 16 by 9. That means 16 by 1 man, 18 into 16 by 9, 2 times, and plus 20 equal 1 man. That equal to 52 women equal to 20 days. 52 women complete the work in 20 days. I have to find out the value of 45 man and 24 days. Oh, sorry, 24 women how many days? 45 man and 24 women in how many days? Listen, 1 man equal to 16 by 9 women. That equal women into 24 women. That equal to 1 or 2 men how many days? 52 men in 20 days. 1 or 2 women how many days? M1 D1 equal to M2, where M1 means 52 women and D1 means 20 days, and M2 means 1 or 2 months in X days. M1 D1 equal to M2 D3, where M1 is 52 into 20 equal to 1 or 2 into X, where X is 10 days. Thank you very much.